Legends of Learning presents the GeoQuest From Magma to Mountain game. This is a science game that makes learning about the rock cycle fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, GeoQuest From Magma to Mountain is a story-driven, interactive science game where students explore the full rock cycle through hands-on puzzles, experiments, and character-driven quests. GeoQuest transforms complex geology into an engaging journey of discovery. You play as a young explorer, traveling through vibrant biomes, ancient caves, and volcanic landscapes as you uncover how Earth constantly reshapes itself. From melting magma to layered sediments to heat-forged metamorphic rock, every step of the cycle becomes a challenge to solve. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.